Hi friends and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a T-Rex dinosaur together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 2 circles for the eye. Trace the outline of the head, starting from the top of the mouth with a curved line, a quarter circle, a curved line, and a small semicircle. Now draw the bottom of the mouth with a diagonal line, a quarter circle, a diagonal line, and a curved line. Draw the teeth with many small letter V's. Draw the nostril of the nose with a small curved line and a small oval. Draw the first front paw with a curved line and a horizontal line. Draw 3 fingers, a line in the shape of the letter V. Then trace the claws with 3 small letter V's. Now draw a curved line for the front of the body. Draw the hind leg with a large upside down letter V. Then a diagonal line, a horizontal one. Draw 3 toes.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man,
A diagonal line in the shape of a letter V.
the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin
And then a curved line.
Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin.
Now draw 3 claws in the shape of the letter V upside down. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw the back of the body with a wavy line, like I do.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Then close the outline of the pointed tail with a curved line.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man?
Draw the second hind leg with an upside down letter V,
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin
2 toes,
Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin
and another upside down letter V.
on Drury Lane.
Then draw the claws. Now draw the other front paw with a horizontal line, 3 toes, and a small curved line. Draw the claws with small V letters. Split the body in half with a curved line. Now draw many upside down V letters on the dinosaur back and tail. turned out really well. Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eye and the nostril of the nose. Use red for the head and back of the body and legs. Color the lower part of the body with orange. Use green for the teeth, the designs on the back, and the clothes. Excellent! Our T-REX dinosaur is ready to play with you! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!